Hello, this is Samsa again from GamingonLinux.com, and today, instead of doing the regular old thing, we are going to play Sokobond and have a small chemistry lesson at the same time. So yeah, this game was featured on an article about a few weeks ago, I think. It was not this week, it was past week, I think. And we got this press copy from the developers, so I decided to make a video of it. Actually, it was meant to be done this, well, on the beginning of this week, but I sort of delayed it because we had that Natural Selection 2 video and stuff like that, so better late than never, right? So, but yeah, let's get into the game before I waste all my time talking about my life and stuff I've done already. So, we have this selection of maps here. I have played few of these, as you can see. And, well, we are going to start from the beginning. And before we start, I have to warn you that this game, this video, might contain spoilers about the game. So if you don't want any spoilers whatsoever, you shouldn't watch this video. Just check the article and maybe look up a review and then get the game yourself. But if minor spoilers are not a problem, then you can just go ahead and watch this. But let's go and start from the beginning. So, we have these atoms here. This is kind of like, well, as the name says, it's like Sokobond and, well, Atomics. It's kind of mix of those two games, and we have to control these atoms and form molecules. So we have two hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecule, and as you can probably guess, we are going to form water molecule from these, like this. Water, H2O. Water is the least toxic compound, but water poisoning is possible. So don't drink too much water, you are going to get yourself killed. Okay, next one. Pretty much the same thing, except we can fail this one. If I go here, then these two hydrogen atoms will get connected, and well, we have failed because we can't get this oxygen atom into the molecule anymore. So I have to press R to reset the level. But yeah, these are pretty simple maps. Water is the only substance naturally found in 3 states of matter. Okay. Push. These names kinda give you hints about what you should do with the level. But okay, so this time I think I have to do this. Yes. Water expands by about 9% with tremendous force when frozen. I know that. I'm a Finn and I know how ice can be. Okay, so now we have a different atom here, and I think we are going to form... Oh, I failed this one already. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, I think I should do it this way, and if I move here, we get ammonia. Your kidneys secrete ammonia to neutralize acid. Good to know, good to know. Then we have loop. So this time we have 2 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen I'm 2 hard words! Okay, so how are we going to do this thing? I think this is actually pretty difficult. I think I have to do it this way, and then move back, and we get hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. 1 liter of pure hydrogen peroxide can release over 300 liters of pure oxygen. Okay. Sounds pretty interesting. Monty Hall. So now we have 3 hydrogen atoms and we are controlling this one. I can't remember which one this is, because my chemistry isn't all that perfect. But I think what we are going to do with this one is that we are going to push these things out of the way. Like this. No, this is not going to work actually. I just noticed. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, so let's try this solution then. Okay, this seems to be working quite nicely. And we get ammonia once again. 2/3 of all ammonia on Earth comes naturally from cows. So it gives you these small facts when you play the game, when you finish these levels, and it's actually pretty fun, because chemistry is pretty interesting, so I actually like it. But this level seems quite complex. How should we go about doing this? I can't move here because I need to get 3 more hydrogen atoms onto my molecule here, and I need one of them to go to the top. So I guess I'm going to push this one down, and then I'm going to push this one. I can do that. I can do this, and then I can do that, and I can do this. So now we get methane. Well, methane. I'm sorry, my pronunciation was... Oh, okay. Earthquakes can release methane into the ocean from undersea reserves. Okay. So some sort of methane bursts or something like that. Okay. Coyote. Okay, so now we have oxygen and hydrogen and... How should I do this? Maybe I should push this one here and... Oh, I can't get to that anymore! These levels are starting to be quite complex. So... should I push this here, that here, and this here? And we get hydroxylamine, NH2OH. Many integrated circuits in phones and computers were washed with hydroxylamine-based cleaners. Huh, okay. Roadrunner. Have we done this? The knot. I don't think we did this. Let's do this too. So now we have to get... Oh, I think I failed it already. Okay, like this? No, that's not right. It doesn't go like that. I remember when I did this first time, but I can't remember how I did it anymore. Okay, so now I have to get... Oh, this is very difficult. I also have that undo button, Z, which I can use to move one step back. Actually, I can go more steps if I want to, but I'm basically just resetting all the time. The game doesn't punish you for doing that, so... Oh, this is going to work. This works. And we get methane once more. Okay, that was pretty interesting. Then we have Roadrunner. We have one coal atom there, and we have this oxygen atom. What are we going to form with this? Well, we need to push these things to the coal atom, otherwise I'm going to get... I think I already got stuck. Well, that was interesting. Oh, I actually didn't. If I can... Oh, I can't get there, because... I thought I could go this way, but if I go there... I'm going to get this one hydrogen atom stuck into this this one atom I'm controlling, so we can't finish this molecule here. So, well, we failed. We failed miserably. So what should we do? Can I push these things out of the way so that I can... I can't go down here, and I can... If I push that, that's going to just move. This is starting to be too complex for me. My brains just don't handle this. Okay, so I don't have too many options here. Maybe if I push this up, and if I move here, then I'm going to... Oh, this works. This is... Oh no, it was so close, but it doesn't work. Okay, yeah, we have... No, I think we have played enough of this game. I don't want to spoil too much of this, because this game is something that you might want to buy. I have to warn you though, this game requires Adobe Air, so that might be a little bit troublesome, because Air isn't supported on Linux anymore. But I think this game was worth installing Air, and it's actually 15% off until the 3rd of September. So if you want to get this game with a discount, then you should get it now. But that was all for me for today, and we will see in the next video.